Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to set scrollbars to always be visible. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. In modern versions of macOS, from Ventura 13.0 onward, you can set scrollbars to always be visible. Open System Settings, go to the Appearance tab, look for Show Scrollbars, and choose the toggle next to Always. In macOS Monterey or older versions, you'll find the Settings in General tab. The change is immediately visible, and you will instantly see scrollbars on the Mac anywhere that scrollbars or scrolling area exists. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.